Hi there, traders. So today I'm talking about very basic forex trading mindset. Like when you are like basically first day here and first day try to figure out the trading, like what it is and what is going on and what is the truth behind it. So I'm taking things like very simple. So the first thing what we have to understand is why you are here. Like you have to understand like why you are here, like why you want to learn this and why you want to do that. And the biggest thing is why the most people are here, because of the money. But then you're in the wrong place, because there is nothing to do in the money. Because you have to understand, you are starting to developing trading mindset. There is nothing to do with those charts there. All those charts what you see here, they have nothing to do with your trading mindset. Like there is absolutely zero attachment. Like literally, it's nothing to do with trading mindset. Like I can say, like let's say 100 years ago, 200 years ago, the trading mindset was still on, but there was no computer. So now we have to understand that trading mindset is something totally different things what you are thinking even right now. Like if you're here because you see the Instagram Lambos and the Ferrari and the beautiful house videos, you are very wrong direction. And most likely if you're gonna follow the direction, you're gonna lose your own personal lifetime heavily. So the first principle is actually in trading mindset is your developmenting. How, like what kind of trader you are. Like literally what kind of trader you are. And to figure those things out you have to go with the roots, but that's your journey. I cannot make your journey. It's your journey. You have to go figure out the answers. You have to start doing something. Let's say like you have bunch of like emotional mindset. That's your own mind here. And now you are thinking like how I'm gonna go through those lines. Like if I'm gonna go straight up. Oh, sorry. If I'm gonna go straight up like that, or I'm gonna go like boom boom like that, like that. There is so many different ways how to do it. Like what kind of trader you are. And now you start developing those principles and the friendship of you and the trading mindset. That's the first thing of absolutely everything. Like what kind of trader you are. You have to realize that thing. If you're here because of the Instagram Lamborghinis, nope. Like every money what you're gonna put in the market, they're gonna just steal your money. They're gonna just reach your back pocket and just take it out, and it's gone, and you never see that again. And if your mindset are weak and not reinforced, you are going with very deep places. You are going very deep places, and that's super bad. So basically, like forget all those statistics and all this stuff here. There is nothing. Like there is no attachment between you and those charts what you see behind the screen, because trading mindset is developing like hundreds of years ago. There was no screen, there was no internet, there was no computer, there was nothing, but the trading mindset was already developing. You have to realize those things. You have to go back to the roots. It's the simplest thing ever. Like just realize those things. You can just go here and how say try to figure out your own stability or sorry, but that's the truth. You cannot go here and just do something. It's a stability. And because you do something, you kind of like you start trusting yourself, or you're making some kind of reinforcing the trust of attachments. Like those zones, like those are wrong zones to developing, especially in the trading mindset and career. If you want to be successful trader. The very wrong place. If you're here to want to make money, nope. Because trading is no joke. Trading is no joke. Trading mindset is no joke. It's no joke. It's a really hard mindset to master. And if you're weak, it's gonna break you. It's gonna break you and destroy you and just throw you out. Let's say you are in the boxing ring. It's just gonna knock you out. Not only knock you out, it's gonna knock you out over the those lines are there. Over the defense. You're gone. No existence anymore. The trading is just gonna destroy you. That's the truth. That's a real thing. If you're thinking, it's just the trading, no. If you don't take seriously, you're not gonna make it. So only thing what you have to realize in mastering the trading mindset is between you and yourself, and how much you're gonna trust yourself. You have to go through the end. All your body has to trust yourself, all your mind, all your thinking, all your feelings, all your emotions have to trust yourself. All those vibrations have to be all sent in. It's have to work. Your thinking, your feelings. You woke up in the morning, you're like, this market structure is kind of weird, don't feel it. Done. No trades, no screen, nothing else. Next day you woke up like, there is something, I feel something. Maybe 2 hours more. After 2 hours, nice retest, okay boys, let's take a sell here. And the next day is like, you woke up like, exactly the right time. Look at that, we are breaking structure, we break the lows, we have nice retest on the level of holder, I'm gonna go in. It's a perfect place to go. And that's the thing basically. You woke up, you feel it or not. If you don't feel it, there's gonna be if you don't feel it, most likely market is going opposite side, or we have some huge manipulation patterns coming in. If you feel the market, it's nice, clear, no manipulation, and you can take your trades. If you woke up and you're like, there is something already, but let's wait few hours more. And then after a few hours you see, okay, we have very clear structure, let's gonna take a trade. That's a real truth. That's how the trading is. That's how trading was back in the days, and that's how trading it is right now. If you're going like Japanese, Chinese, if you go in those countries and you actually listen those dudes there, or monks, or people and the elders, it's all same. They never changing. It's just the America and all this bollocks what is happening here, like the Instagram and the Institute, and it's fucked. It's so fucked. Really, it's so bad, and it's so hurt because all those people are actually suffering, who maybe literally really want to learn trading. But you have to understanding it's trading mindset and nothing else. And now if you have that trading mindset, you can, if you have the trading mindset, that's mean you're developing the rules and principles and hold your trust around yourself. That's mean you can now put those rules and developing and those principles now in this chart, and you start feeling and you start seeing the market behavior, and you start seeing the market motion and where is the manipulation and those things. You have 2 layers. First you're gonna developing your layers, and now you put those layers in this trading view, in these charts. You just basically copy and paste, and you put all those layers, these zones here. Those zones are right now, let's say this zones here, and when we make some kind of principle or something what you developing, and now you see this market is actually respecting that, that's your trades. We you have to zoom in, you have to be zen with that market pair, so the market is actually gonna accept you. You know, if you're making the noise and you just, you know, you're out in harmony and you're making the noise and the nature is, you know, the nature is gone behind you and no roots and, you know, stuff, the market doesn't respect you. The market is like, what's going on? I'm gonna run away. Like, that's the real thing. But if market is gonna accept you and market is seeing, like, you know, the Zen monkey who is walking through the chart, you are able to take some trades. And if you are here and just to take like massive risk reward ratios and you wanna just make mad money and you over leverage and all those little details, same thing. No, it's not gonna happen. Literally, it's not gonna happen. It's not joke. It's not joke. It's a real thing right now here. And do you know why it's not joke? Because it's you against you. If you lie yourself, you're just going deeper and deeper and deeper. Even if you don't realize, after 3 years, you're just in the bottom. Maybe not in the bottom, you have like this impulse candlestick, like this one here right now. And you feel like, what? And you are, you know, in a very deep situation. Like, you have to take super seriously. You have to take super seriously. You just cannot go here and thinking like, oh, that's a school mathematic book. No, that's a real life. That's a real you, real emotions, real trust. You know, real nature between nature and nature. You know, and if you're not harmonized, oh wow, it's gonna be a big thing, you know. But if you are not ready to take that step, just don't take at all. Don't take at all, because you have to be very strong, you know, mindset person to realize what is the truth, you know, like not like business thing, not investing things, not all those, you know, those stupidities what happen in Instagram and whatsoever those places, you know. Like, you have to understand where to put roots down, and it's only you, 100% you. Like, the worst thing what you can have is the money attachment. That's the worst thing. If you're here to make money, nope, don't even start. Like, trust me, don't start. You're gonna lose your life, you can lose your money, and you're gonna lose a few years of your lifestyle and life, and it's not good. You can lose like I know right now people who are like trading like 5 years and they are still not even making the funded account. You know, it's like, come on, you're trading 5 years already and you're not even there to mastering the funded account. I know even a person who's trading 8 years and still the same thing. 8 years. It's like, oh wow. It's just mind blowing, you know. It's so mind blowing. I just wanna cry, you know, because it's so sad. You know, it's super sad. It's like yeah, you have to understanding trading mindset is something what is only inside your mind. There is nothing to do with the computer and those charts here. Absolutely nothing. You know, the history is already telling to that thing, you know. You know, like the famous book, the Candlestick Bible, you know. The Candlestick Bible was back in the days in 1600s. It's 400 years ago. We didn't have nothing. No screen, no nothing. You know, and it's still working. You know, that's your roots, and that's the pathway where you have to go to mastering trading mindset. That's your path. You know, you have to go in that direction. If you're here, we just try to figure out what the gold behavior is. You're not gonna figure that out. Maybe, but most likely, you're not. You know, it's Oh, it's needs so much job because it's you. It's need loads of job. Um, and then you see all those behavior patterns, you know, they're going above and they are below, and they're touching, they're making the highs and they're making the lows. That's all your emotion. That's all you here. You know, you thinking it's cold? Not. It's you. Because I made all those lines here. You know, all those lines. Those are my lines. I make those lines. Not cold. I made. That's me. It's all me here. You know, there is something what, you know, there is information. You have to realize something here, you know. Okay, I'm gonna finish right now. I think that's very good start for wall 1. And if you have questions, leave in the comments. And if you wanna join our Discord, the link is down. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Okay, ciao.